MissCarly. So today we're going to get inspired by a very natural and traditional wig from the wig company right here. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as the little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. The wig company actually specializes in more of the traditional and high-end looking wigs. So these wigs are really more for someone who is looking for like the most natural, light, and also luxuriously constructed. We'll go more into that. So when this wig arrived, it actually came in this really pretty box right here, which is really nice. It does come with a magazine for the types of wigs. So of course you can see like the more traditional wig right here in the front, but they definitely carry everything like of the high end. So you can see like some more like fun, more trendy style wigs right here. So it's really nice that they have like the broad spectrum, including with price point from like, you know, $70 to several $100s for the wig. So let's just get talking about this gorgeous wig that I'm gonna be showcasing right here. So she's in the style of luxurious, and I'm really excited to give her a try. And as you can see, she has these beautifully like highlights and lowlights within the wig. She is a really light texture. She looks and feels very natural. Of course, she is a synthetic wig, but definitely what's really nice about these higher end wigs is that they are very light and easy to wear. So let's just talk about like the differences of like the actual wig construction and whatnot. So generally with these higher end wigs, there isn't like a huge lace front that you need to cut off. It actually always has like just like a 1/4 of an inch right here that most of the time you just leave on, or of course you can cut that off if you need it, but I normally just keep it on with these style wigs. So she does have a really nice like 4-inch parting right here. And then for the actual construction, so what's really neat about this is that she has like this velvet band all the way around, which is really great for comfort and whatnot. So there isn't any type of combs in here because also she is shorter, so she wouldn't need to be like locked in per se. What's really nice about this wig with going with this velvet strap right here, instead of having the actual straps to fasten it, it actually has these Velcro pieces right here. So it's really nice that you can just Velcro it on to the exact size that you need for your head. Also, what is kind of a big difference when you are getting a more luxurious wig is that when you look at the actual parting right here, it has this style, and first I was really confused when I saw my very first high-end wig. So it's called permatease right here. So it's these kind of shorter pieces right here which help with volume and also just making it look a little bit more natural than having like nothing in the middle right here, if that makes any sense. So definitely look that up if you're kind of confused on the permatease, but that is very normal in a high-end wig. And with this style, she kind of has a little bit of like a front kind of bang kind of area, which I'm really excited to give a whirl. The main difference with getting a wig that is more on the high end is that they really have a full gamut of different colors and styles. So you will see that if you're really looking for something that matches your exact hair color, they will most likely have it for you, which is really great because these wigs are really meant to look like your exact style, if possible, naturally. All right, so let's put this wig on. I'm really excited. So I have a wig cap in nude that I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I love these wig caps. And I put my wigs on front to back. All right, so here she is. She is super cute. Definitely like a Goldilocks kind of color. Really dig it. So I'm just gonna take my wig brush right here and lightly brush her out. She did not like shed at all because there really isn't much to her. She's very comfortable on your head. You almost like do not even feel that you have anything on your head. As for the actual style, like this is kind of really set to the side. And then since she does have a little bit of like this layer kind of front, you can definitely kind of like sweep her just like the example has. Sweep her more on this side, but definitely this is a wig that would, you know, move with the wind, and you know, if you want to give her a little bit of texture, like this is really cute. Yes, just have to play with it. I'm actually liking this more, as I wear it because it just feels really great. I really love this wig and I feel like it is so incredibly cute, and I was so excited to share with you a more high-end style wig and kind of what it looks and feels like and all the little details that make it a high-end luxurious wig. So definitely check out the wig company right here, and really great to see the different styles, or maybe even help someone out who's looking for a more natural looking wig. So I would love to know if any of you have any of these very high-end luxurious wigs. I would love to know and see you in your wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you being as amazing and fabulous as you can possibly be. Because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you feel fabulous in one of these high-end luxurious wigs, wear it. Wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you, and we